Hi, my name is Bob Hubbard. I'm the owner of Saltworks. The building was built in '51. It was a soda shop. It was Jordan Soda Shop and Dexter Soda Shop, and then it became Saltworks in 1973. There are people coming in now that are in their 40s that have kids that came with their parents when they were kids. So it's been a lot of years of people coming that keeps us busy. So I was looking for a canola cottonseed blend, or something to that effect. Corn oil does not hold up as good. Soybean oil does not hold up as good, and you can't use peanut oil with all the allergies. I want to have the best quality oil I can use. Using Mel Fry oil has not only saved me money, but I have a great product as well. So I can get a cheap oil for sure. I can get something cheaper, but my product's not going to be as good. And that's what you want to do to build your customer base and to keep them happy and have them coming back. Because you know yourself, if you go somewhere to eat and the food's not good, or the fries aren't crisp and it's not hot, you're not going back. And you have to have good shortening to make your product right.